We are in this beautiful LP 580. This car, a few years back, we completely modified. Made it the wide body by Liberty Walk, slammed it, Pap Speed exhaust, Renin wheels. This car is originally white, but it's this beautiful metallic red color. The interior is red suede. This steering wheel right here is custom made. We made this steering wheel. It's a little bit thicker. It's black suede with red stitching, and it has a red leather ring right there. Looks amazing. Sound system upgrades. The reason why I'm saying all the mods is because this car is actually for sale. One of our good customers kept contemplating selling it or keeping it. I think he finally is ready to get rid of it. He wants to do something else, another build. But this car is ready to go. It's perfect. It's super clean. It's got around 5,000 miles. One owner car. Handles like a dream. Drives great. Sounds amazing. Sport button works with the exhaust system. So it's valved. It'll go from louder to quiet whenever you want. So pricing wise, this car, it's a 2016 by the way. Still a great car. They didn't make too many changes. Obviously the Evo's out, but very expensive. This car, probably sticker was right around the $280,000 range. And then all the mods, I mean, if you're gonna buy a new one and modify it like this, man, you're in it at least $350,000. But this car right now, I think is accepting offers around 200 grand. So email us, let us know. I'm sure you can find financing outside or whatever, or if you're a baller and you got the cash, send it this way. You got this Rolls-Royce Dawn right here. This was purple chrome with purple chrome wheels on it. Actually Chris Brown's car. As you guys know, we do all of Chris Brown's cars. We've done a lot previously. You've seen it in all previous episodes. We got the Dawn back here. Doesn't drive him much. It was sitting, he was on tour. So the wrap got beat up under the sun. Now he wants to go total dark mode. So we have the wrap completely off. Part of why it looks so dirty still, we got to clean it up after. The car is mostly apart as well. So we could wrap it its new color, which is gonna be stealthy black. You guys will see the total transformation. This went from purple to black.
Like old enterprise.
Bro, you owe me 2 Jesus. You know?
29. So, you know, you gotta.
And he's a liar. He owed me 2 jeanses, and I'm still waiting for those 2 jeanses from him.
What size you wear? Should we get you athletic fit or slim
the other ones
taper?
so they look alike. So they look, you know, it looks
I'm gonna
like
get you a women's high-rise skinny and see if you go fit into it. What color do you want? Like this color?
Yeah. He owes me 2 jeanses.
Look at these guys. We're a full-blown YouTube operation.
No, we're not.
This is way bigger than ours now. Absolutely. Absolutely.
No,
hey,
no.
don't be ashamed, dude. Don't be ashamed. Just embrace it. Embrace it.
There's a bunch of extra stickers if you want to play with it.
Thank you.
On the floor.
And I love the transition of the colors.
Yeah. So like it's this really cool shade of like light gray.
Yeah.
That no wrap color exists like this.
Yeah.
So we're actually like really excited with this. We might even wrap a whole car like this color because this is printed.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, how it's light gray to this like medium gray and then the dark gray down there.
Yeah.
It looks really awesome.
I actually didn't know how you were gonna pull this off, so through shaving.
I've been doing this for a minute. You know?
Shut the What interesting toys do you have in here?
What do I have right now?
I mean, that rolls is so slammed.
Yeah, the front air shocks are blown out. That's why, yeah. He was driving pretty fast, he hit something pretty nasty, and he blew out the air shocks.
Oh.
It happens. Yeah.
So you can break your Rolls Royce like this?
Oh yeah, definitely.
This is LeBron James's car, and he drives it all the time.
He usually gets chauffeured, but sometimes when he drives, he's got a few go-tos, and this is one of them.
What are you doing to that Rolls?
That is Chris Brown's Rolls Royce Dawn. Ooh. That used to be purple chrome.
Oh, this is that car.
Yeah, purple chrome. Now it's back to white. It's gonna be matte black. We're gonna make this matte black soon.
Damn. Do you have any other celebrity cars here?
Chris Brown, Jake Paul, LeBron James. That's a brand new BMW X5.
Oh no, is that the X5 or the X7?
X5. That's
Really?
the brand new X5 with the crystal knob and all that stuff.
I haven't seen that. Can we check out the interior?
Yeah, I'll show you that. We're taking that fully apart to paint the whole car. We're color change painting the whole car, brand new car, no wrap, full paint.
The guy couldn't just order the car in that color?
It's a very
It's a
cool
valid
lady,
question.
actually, a very cool lady that wants Viola Persify, which is that Lamborghini.
Yeah, I know
purple
exactly
color.
which one.
So that's what we're gonna be painting that.
That lady's baller as. Someone told me that BMW has stepped up their game. Ooh.
It's nice. If you sit in it, the knob, it's like, oh,
Can I sit in here?
Yeah.
Would you go back to BMW now, or are you still sticking to Mercedes?
I'd still probably.
This is what I tell everyone, just being completely honest with
Yeah.
people. Whenever you see someone driving a Mercedes and not a BMW, it's because they can afford the good car. If you see someone driving the BMW, it's because Mercedes are a little bit more expensive, but they are.
They've been doing a way better job.
For a long
I
time
used to
now.
be super pro BMW. I
Yeah, me
hated
too.
Mercedes.
Yeah, me too.
But now I just can't. I don't think I would drive a BMW right
Yeah.
now.
And also, especially because of where you live, it'd be stolen.
I mean, Mercedes is worse where I live, but okay.
I know. Honestly, this looks so much better.
And this is
than
not an
before.
M. This is just like
The regular car.
X5. And
All right, BMW, I see you. Now let me show it in español. Wow.
Un saludote, me dicen por acá que te gusta ver los videos, deja de desperdiciar tu vida viendo estas mamadas, güey.
they're working until 8 for that. All right, guys, here we have this Audi RS7, beautiful Nardo gray color. This car belongs to Chris D'Elia. He's a comedian, pretty popular. Forgiato wheels going on there, Forgiato wheels and tires. We're gonna make this look cooler. He's not a huge aftermarket guy, but we're gonna put wheels on it and see how it looks. You know, at the end of the day, almost all celebrities, anybody that's popping comes to RDB, and they know why. All right, so the Dawn, Chris Brown's Dawn, that went from purple, as you can see now, satin black. Unfortunately, we didn't get it done on time. We're gonna be having this on our next episode. You'll see it all done up. The wheels didn't make it with powder coat because they're 3-piece and they were purple, so they needed a little bit more time on that, so we didn't rush into it. But as you can see, most of the car is wrapped. You can see the gloss black hood right here and the satin black on the sides. This combination is one of the craziest combinations out there. We usually do the opposite. We usually do satin black here, gloss black here, which is kind of how the Wraith and Dawn blew up many years ago. And that's where we started the trend here. But yeah, we're doing the opposite here, which is gonna look cool. It's got that burgundy interior, looks really cool with the black. It's gonna have the black 24-inch wheels on it. So tomorrow we're gonna start putting this bad boy back together. I'm gonna show you guys something really cool in the next episode too that we did many years ago that people still ask. It has something to do with this guy right here. If you take a look at this, this is not original. This is custom. So we'll show you guys what this does later on in the next episode. All right, so we got an inflatable pool here and we got some apples in there. We have a few of our shop guys that are gonna participate in this contest. They're gonna go in there and grab the apples with their mouth. Whoever gets the most out in 1 minute is gonna get 150 bucks. All right, we have 3 participants here. This is Moses, this is Felix, and this is Marvin. All right. He's got a pretty nice mouth, so let's see The odds are on him right now, but his beard might help him through the water, and he's very agile. So let's get it going. You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, go. Yo, you can't use your hand, put it back down. You can't use your hand, no hands. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Stop. Who won?
Alright, we
How many
got
apples you got? 2? How many apples? 2. Everyone has 2? You guys want to do a rematch or you guys want to split the 150?
If you guys play again, each of you get $100 each.
Oh.
100. Ready? I'm going to give you guys 1 minute again. Okay? 3, 2, go.
He seems pretty wet, so here you go. Enjoy. There we go.
I'm winner.
Coming.